Happy Thursday. It's Gregor Speaks. Gregor Baird, how are you? You got, Greg, what do you got here? Well, I have to tell you, this is a very quick post today. I am packing to go to Southwest Michigan, to the Saugatuck Douglas area with my best friends. So I got all of my towels and things, sandals, this is for the pool. So that's what I am doing, and I'm trying to record this right now before you hear these airplane noises, the jet noises from the Air and Water Show. They're all practicing right now, and it literally sounds like we're being bombed here in Chicago. So I know a lot of people have dogs and cats, and they just freak out over the weekend because of the Air and Water Show, and some people leave. I'm one of those people that are leaving. Not because the Air and Water Show, I mean, it does get kind of crazy, but it's the last couple weekends of the summer, and I'm out enjoying it with my best friend. We're having a summer away for the weekend, one of our favorite places, and then I'm gone the following weekend up to northern Michigan, and then that's it for the summer. So the summer is drawing to a close, and honey, it's been a hot one. It's been hot and humid here in Chicago. I don't know where you're at, but it's been hot. Today's not too bad and muggy, but I'll be the first one to say this. I'm looking forward to a little bit cooler weather for September, October, for the fall. So we'll see. Okay. So planning lecture stuff and career marketing. It's just been a rough year speaking and doing what I love in my career for 31 years. Because our good old president has other things that he wants to do in getting rid of DEI and LGBTQ+ things and museum-oriented kind of thing. He's just doing this sweeping, horrible thing for our country, and we got to get better. We got to stand up to all this craziness that's going on. So give yourself some hope and peace and time away from the news. But it's really bothered me this past week more than ever. So I'm going onward and upward in speaking and doing my community engagement. Here's kind of one of my latest little marketing posts that I've been doing, and just rerouting a lot of stuff, and it's challenging because I don't know where my life is going right now, speaking and everything else. So anybody that needs a speaker, right here, gregorbaird.com, give me a shout out. I would love a little support from family, friends, anybody out there that you need a speaker for the fall. So gotta let you go. It's a busy one. I'm watching the clock up here. It's telling me that I'm not over at all, but just don't want to make this a real long post today. I got a lot of packing and things to do. I got to go out and buy some stuff, and that's all I got. So listen, have a great weekend. I am not going to video this weekend whatsoever. It's my time away, and I will post on Tuesday of next week and kind of give you a recap. I may have a few pictures or something, but I'm not going to do any video. Just want some me time, because then I worry about the editing and how I'm going to put everything together. All this filmmaker Spielberg kind of stuff. All right. Have a great one. Have a great weekend. Get out and have some fun. Last couple weekends of summer. Love you. Thanks for the follow. Subscribe, like, and share. And I will see you on Tuesday. Thanks, everybody. Take care.